Hello everyone, besides downloading the source from the channel, you can load source in here. In the device tab, your camera device will be listed at here. You can drag and drop to the channel you want. If a device did not show here, even though you have connected, try to click on the refresh button. In the file tab, you can browse your local material. For example, video, and then click OK. Then it will show the material right here. Drag the material you want and then drop to the channel. It will display on it. So let's take another example. Drag and drop. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.